Can nitric oxide therapy help address COVID-19 brain fog? Nitric oxide is essential for proper brain health. Your body uses nitric oxide to help regulate the following cognitive functions: memory, glucose metabolism, and strengthening nerve impulses to increase signal transmission between neurons. So the question is, can nitric oxide therapy help address COVID-19 brain fog? Hi, this video is from Dan Hammer Health. And if you find value in it, then please subscribe to my channel. The COVID-19 virus has affected the entire world. Millions of people have died due to complications caused by this virus. For those that survived, about 37% of the population can have lingering effects. One of these is brain fog, usually characterized by slow thinking, poor concentration, difficulty remembering things, and confusion. One rehabilitation program that is being used to help people with this issue is what is called neuroplasticity. This type of program helps people to rewire their brain. And if you're interested in this, then I have a link to a great article from WebMD titled "Scientists See Hope in New Therapy for COVID Brain Fog Patients." As I read this article concerning techniques to help the brain change, adapt, and strengthen neural networks, I was reminded about neurogenesis. This is the formation of new neurons, usually from stem cells in the nervous system. L-arginine enhances this formulation through the arginase pathway. While this is a complex process, it first starts with the enzyme arginase and how it converts L-arginine into compounds that can then be used to stimulate the growth of new neurons. There is growing evidence on how nitric oxide plays a critical role in regulating neurogenesis, as well as neural survival. Additionally, the key to cognitive function centers on two key ingredients: oxygen and glucose. Aerobic respiration, which requires oxygen, creates 18 times more energy than when oxygen is not used. Improving blood flow to the brain improves the delivery of oxygen. This improves your brain's ability to properly function. But it also needs glucose. You must get the glucose out of the bloodstream and into the brain cells. This is where nitric oxide, L-arginine, and your endothelium, which lines all of your cardiovascular system, comes into play. Your brain's ability to properly metabolize glucose is a key factor in memory. This element of glucose metabolism is key to verbal and visual memory and learning patterns. And this is where L-arginine and nitric oxide can have a tremendous impact on brain function. First, nitric oxide helps to normalize glucose metabolism by increasing glucose transport. Second, nitric oxide facilitates the uptake of glucose into cells. Third, L-arginine regulates insulin release, which is needed for proper glucose metabolism. Fourth, both L-arginine and nitric oxide work together to enhance insulin sensitivity for improved glucose metabolism. All four of these factors have a positive benefit for improving cognitive function. Leslie E. Korn, PhD, has a great article in Psychology Today titled, "How Nitric Oxide Helps Mental Health and COVID-19 Response." I have a link to this article in the description below. In it, Dr. Korn makes the following statement. We typically think of nitric oxide for its role in cardiovascular health, diabetes, and erectile dysfunction, yet it is also essential for mental health, cognitive function, and prevention of vascular dementia, and Alzheimer's. A lack of adequate nitric oxide production increases the risk of depression, and the presence of nitric oxide positively affects our mood. If you want to utilize nitric oxide therapy for improved cognitive function, then there are 6 key ingredients needed to maximize this process. They are L-arginine, L-citrulline, vitamin D3, vitamin K2, red grape polyphenol extract, and pomegranate fruit juice concentrate. I cover these 6 ingredients in my video titled Understanding Nitric Oxide Therapy. A detailed discussion starts at the 6:19 mark of the video. While there is still much to be learned, when you add up the existing information, it's clear that L-arginine, nitric oxide, and your endothelium are needed for proper cognitive function. If you would like to get more videos on how to improve your health, then please subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or need to contact me, then here is my contact information. Thanks for watching, and please share this video with others. Together, we can make a major difference in the health of our family and friends.